You're listening to DJ Glendon.
Listen, I need to tell you something.
The music sounds.
You're listening to DJ Glendon.
Listen, I need to tell you something. I might not bring you flowers every Friday afternoon. I might not say the perfect thing every time you're feeling blue. But if your world starts falling down, you know where I'll be found. I might not bring you flowers, but I'm still here now. Some men buy roses every week, then disappear when things get hard. Me, I'm the one fixing the gate when it break out in the yard. I'm the one checking if you're home when the rain start coming down. Not much for big displays, but I've always been around. Might not bring you flowers every Friday afternoon. I might not say the perfect thing every time you're feeling blue. But if your world starts falling down, you know where I'll be found. I might not bring you flowers, but I'm still here now. Still know how you take your tea, 2 sugars when you've had a day. Still leave the porch light on when you're working late. Still save your side of the sofa even when you're not around. Some things become a habit when real love settles down. And I know I don't always say it the way some people do, but every little thing I've done was me loving you. I might not bring you flowers every Friday afternoon. I might not say the perfect thing every time you're feeling blue. But if your world starts falling down, you know where I'll be found. I might not bring you flowers, but I'm still here now. People talk about romance like it's something you can buy, but love looked different after years than it did the first time. It's making sure you're good before I think about myself. It's reaching for your hand without even knowing it myself. I might not bring you flowers every Friday afternoon. Ooh, I might not say the perfect thing every time you're feeling blue. But if your world starts falling down, you know where I'll be found. I might not bring you flowers, I'm still here now. Still here, still here. After all this time, all this time. Love ain't always roses. Sometimes it's just showing up. I might not bring you flowers, but I'm still here now.